Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with OpenAI expands ChatGPT access on WhatsApp amid Sam Altman's India visit. Microsoft enhances Paint with AI and expands Windows search capabilities. Fujifilm launches Instax Wide Evo Hybrid Instant Camera in India. Apple launches Apple Invite Event Management app for iCloud Plus users. Lenskart introduces Phonics smart glasses with Bluetooth audio. Nothing Phone 3a launch set for March 3 may feature iPhone style camera button. And at last, we have iQOO Neo 10R launching in India on March 11 with Snapdragon 8s Gen 3. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you who developed Yahoo, and the answer is Jerry Yang. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who developed Telegram? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. OpenAI has introduced new updates for ChatGPT on WhatsApp, allowing users to send voice messages and receive AI-generated text responses. This follows OpenAI's December launch of i800 ChatGPT, enabling ChatGPT access via WhatsApp without needing a separate app. Users can now also upload images similar to the ChatGPT web app. OpenAI aims to enhance accessibility, particularly in India, where WhatsApp usage is extensive. Additionally, OpenAI will also be linking ChatGPT accounts on WhatsApp globally. Meanwhile, CEO Sam Altman is planning to visit India, engaging with government officials, industry leaders, and venture capitalists. His visit coincides with the risk of Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, which recently surpassed ChatGPT as the top-rated free app on Apple's App Store. DeepSeek's cost-effective model, built under $5 million, challenges the Western AI dominance. Nvidia, a key AI chipmaker, faced a historic $590 billion market value loss, marking the first largest one-day stock drop ever. Now, Microsoft has introduced AI-powered updates to its Paint app in the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build. A new Copilot menu now integrates AI-driven images through editing tools, including generative erase for removing objects and remove background for cleaner edits. Additionally, Paint's Co-Creator feature enables AI-assisted drawing enhancement based on user input. These features are currently available in the Canary and Dev channels of Windows Insider. Meanwhile, Windows Search is expanding its semantic indexing capabilities in the files stored in OneDrive, improving search efficiency. However, this feature is limited to Copilot Plus PC users. Microsoft continues to incorporate AI across its ecosystem, with future updates expected to bring more enhancement. With no official release date yet to be announced, these improvements reflect Microsoft's ongoing investment in AI-driven productivity tools. With AI-powered Paint and enhanced search, Windows 11 aims to offer users a more intuitive and efficient computing experience. Now, Fujifilm India has unveiled the latest hybrid instant camera, the Instax Wide Evo, blending digital and analog photography. Priced at Rs 47,999, the camera will be available from February 20 and comes with a premium edition package, including 20 wide format film sheets. The Wide Evo offers 10 lens effects and 10 film effects, allowing users to mix and match creative styles. Now, a unique degree control function enables fine-tuning of effect intensity across 100 levels. The camera features a stylish black metallic body and includes a print crank for manually printing photos, enhancing their analog experience. Additionally, the device supports smartphone connectivity, allowing users to preview, select, and print images directly from their phones. Pre-orders began on February 4 via Instax.in and select retail stores with an exclusive designer film included. Fujifilm's managing director Koji Wada emphasized the brand's commitment to enhancing instant photography, positioning the Wide Evo as a premium offering in the growing instant camera market. Now, Apple has introduced Apple Invites, a new event management app allowing users to create customized invitation and manage RSVPs. Available for iCloud Plus subscribers, the app enables users to create shared photo albums and Apple Music playlists for events. However, anyone can accept invites regardless of the device or Apple ID. The app is available for download on the App Store and can be accessed via iCloud's website. Apple Invites require iOS 18 or later. The company emphasizes that the app enhances event planning experience by integrating features across iPhone, iCloud, and Apple Music. Users can plan events such as weddings, birthdays, corporate meetings, streamlining guest coordination. Apple aims to compete with existing event planning services while keeping users within its ecosystem. The launch is a part of Apple's broader push to enhance iCloud Plus features and increase subscriber engagement. With its seamless integration, Apple Invites is expected to appeal to users who frequently organize social and professional gatherings. Now, Lenskart has launched its first ever smart glasses, Phonic, featuring built-in Bluetooth audio. The eyewear allows users to listen to music, take calls, and interact with voice assistant without needing separate earphones. Available in Navigator and Hustler styles, Phonic offers up to 7 hours of battery life and comes with a proprietary charging cable. It supports both Android and iOS devices and can be fitted with prescription lenses, including anti-glare and blue light filtering option. The frames are available in matte black and shiny blue. While originally priced at 7,000, Lenskart is offering an introductory discount by bringing the cost down at 4,000. The launch reflects Lenskart's expansion beyond traditional eyewear into smart technology. Phonic aims to compete with existing audio-enabled glasses by providing an affordable and stylish alternative. The product is available in Lenskart's offline and online stores, catering to customers seeking a blend of fashion and functionality in their eyewear. Now, Nothing has confirmed that its upcoming Phone 3a series will launch on March 3 at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The company has started teasing features including a possible dedicated camera button similar to the one introduced in Apple's iPhone 16 series. The button placed below the power key may be customizable like Apple's Action button, potentially offering AI functions or a shortcut to the flashlight. Nothing CEO Carl P has openly admired Apple's approach to hardware innovation, influencing the company's design decisions. The Phone 3a series will likely feature Qualcomm and MediaTek chipset running Nothing OS based on Android 15. The new models will succeed last year's Nothing Phone 2a series, continuing Nothing's focus on minimalist aesthetics and transparent design. The company's teaser suggests more than one model in the 3a lineup, hinting at a Pro variant. Further details, including pricing, specifications, are expected closer to the launch of event. iQOO has confirmed the launch of its Neo 10R smartphone in India on March 11. The device, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, will feature a 1.5K OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will be available for purchase via Amazon and iQOO's official store with a dedicated landing page now live. It is expected to come in two configurations, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. A dual camera setup is anticipated, featuring a 50MP Sony lit 600 primary sensor and 8MP ultra-wide lens. Now, the front camera is rumored to be 16MP. A 6400 mAh battery with an 80-watt fast charging is also expected. Now, the device has been showcased in a raging blue dual-tone design. The expected pricing is below 30,000, making it a strong contender in the mid-range segment. CEO Nipun Maurya has been teasing the launch on social media, generating excitement amongst Indian consumers. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.